how to fix something went wrong problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your settings, and where your settings it's open, you will just come to apps or application, then you will scroll down and search for Facebook. When you found Facebook, you will open it and you will now scroll down to storage, and you will go to the bottom of the screen on clear data. Then you will click and you will click OK, and your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.